Hi, my name is Dr. Judith Hellman. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I specialize in cosmetic dermatology, especially laser treatments, which I have been doing for over 20 years, as well as Botox, fillers, and other anti-aging treatments. My practice is in Manhattan, New York City, and I'm here to tell you about certain treatments that we do. As it turned out, my practice became a niche practice for the treatment of acne. This started out because I have realized that people with acne suffer not only from the outside effects of acne, but also from the self-esteem and the other psychological problems that come with the acne, as well as with acne scarring. So I started treating acne with lasers about maybe 14 years ago. And about 4 years ago, I was lucky enough to happen onto the Fractora treatment, which is by InMode. I've been doing this for about 4 years now for both active acne and acne scars. And I can say that my experience with this treatment is simply amazing. My results are long-term, they are very impressive, and patients are very happy with it. The way Fractora works for acne is very interesting. The Fractora tips have microneedles which enter the skin, and through these microneedles radio frequency is conducted. The radio frequency is basically heat, so the skin is being affected both by a physical needle and also by the heat. Now the skin doesn't know why we are doing this treatment. The skin feels the injury, and the only way the skin can protect itself is by producing new collagen. So the skin basically puts up a tremendous amount of new skin, which is why we see the scars filling in. On the other hand, all these acne spots, as every acne patient will tell you, tend to recur in the same very places. With the Fractora treatment, between the heat and the microneedles, we are able to knock out the underlying mechanism, the blood vessels that feed the acne. So those specific spots can no longer produce acne, cysts, and over time, since the blood vessels are gone, these spots basically just die out. The skin will never make new spots where no spots were before. So we are able to have long-term results. So far, over 4 years of experience, we have long-term patients, and we see that the acne simply doesn't come back because it doesn't have the right infrastructure to do so. After the treatments, and after finishing this series of treatments especially, the patients have been very, very happy. It not only gives them smoother skin and less scarring, but that red look that they call the pizza face and the other effects of acne that affect them both psychologically and physically have disappeared. And so I have heard patients say that it has changed their lives, that they feel like a different person, that everything is a whole different experience in their social and professional circles, because they no longer have to worry about how their skin affects their interactions with other people.